Namaskar, good morning. Myself, Dr. Kumar Chaudhary, in charge Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, College of Agriculture Science, Tirthankar Mahavi University, Moradabad. Today we discuss on plant genetic resource. It is a part of crop improvement cycle, Rabi crops. What is the plant genetic resource? So, let me discuss on about the definition. Germplasm, it means PGR. The sum total of gene in crop species is referred to a genetic resource of gene pool referred to a whole library of different allele of a species. Or we can say in other words, the germplasm may be defined as the sum total of hereditary material or is the alleles of various genes present in a crop species and wild relatives. It is known as gene or genetic stock or germplasm or genetic resources. Germplasm or gene pool is the basic material which is placed to breeder has to initiate his breeding program. Now, important feature of PGR, plant genetic resource. Germplasm is the basic material for launching a crop improvement program. Gene pool respects germplasm consists of land races, modern cultivars, obsolete cultivars, breeding stocks, wild forms, and wild species of cultivars. Gene pool represent to the entire genetic variability of diversity available in the crop species. And we can say germplasm may be indigenous collected with in country or exotic collection in foreign countries. Aims of PGR: prevent the genetic erosion by the number one collection, conservation, study of documentation, and utilization of the plant genetic resource by the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource. PGR include the following category of plants. Number one, cultivated variety. It means cultivar in current use. And number second, newly developed variety of different crop and species in different seasons. And number third is obsolete cultivars. And number four, primitive cultivars. It means we can say in second word, other words, land races. It's old varieties, primitive variety, cultivated in largest area and previous types. And number five, wild and weedy relatives of the cultivated variety and a special genetic stock, including elite and current breeders mutants. That is the category of plants, PGR, growth and kind of the germplasm. The germplasm consists of various plant material of a crop such as landraces, advanced homozygous breeding lines, materials, obsolete cultivars, wild forms of cultivated species, modern cultivars, wild relatives, mutants. The number one, land races. Land races were first collected by the study of NIW in rice. And these are the nothing but primitive cultivars which were selected and cultivated by the farmers for many generations without systematic plant breeding efforts. Land races were not deliberately bred like modern cultivars. They evolved under subsistence agriculture. Land races have high level of genetic diversity which provided them high degree of resistance to biotic and abiotic stresses. Land races have broad genetic base which again provides them wider adaptability. The main drawback of land races are that they are less uniform and low yielders. Land races were first collected by the number second, obsolete cultivars. These are the variety developed by the systematic breeding efforts by the breeders, which were popular earlier and now have been replaced by new variety, improved variety, high yielding variety of recent past are known as the obsolete cultivars. Obsolete cultivars have several desirable characters. They constitute an important part of gene pool. For example, wheat variety K65, K68, PB591 were most popular traditional tall variety before introduction of high yielding dwarf maximum heat of variety. Now these variety are no more cultivated. They are good genetic resource and have been widely used in wheat breeding programs for improvement quality. Now such old variety are found in the gene pool. Now modern cultivars. The currently cultivated high yielding variety are referred to as a modern cultivars. They are also known as improved cultivars of advanced cultivars. These variety have high yield potential and uniformity and compares to obsolete variety lentices. They constitute a major part of working collection and are externally used of parents in breeding programs. As these are good source of gene of yield and quality, can be introduced in a new area and directly released. However, these have narrow genetic base and low adaptability as compared to land races. And number four, advanced breeding lines. These are pre-release plant. They are pre-release variety. They are pre-release material of crops plants, which have been developed by the plant breeders in modern scientific breeding programs and equips. These are known as advanced line cultivars and stocks. This group include nearly homozygous lines, line derived from biotechnology programs, that is transgenic plant and mutant lines, etc. These lines which are not yet ready for release to farmer, they often contain value of gene combinations. And number five, wild of cultivated species. Wild forms of cultivated species are available in many crop plants. Such plants have genetically generally high degree of resistance, biotic and abiotic stress and are utilized in breeding programs. They can easily cross with cultivated species. Wild forms of many crop species are extinct. Number six, wild relatives. Those naturally occurring plant species which have common crop and can cross with crop species are referred to as wild relatives of wild species, which relatives include all other species which are released related to crop species by the descent during their evolution. Both these groups are source of valuable gene for biotic stress and for the quality traits and yield. Mutant. Mutation breeding is used when the desired characters are not found in the genetic stock of cultivated species and their wild relatives. Mutation do occur in nature as well as can be induced through the use of physical and chemical interference.